In this quick video, I am going to show you how to export individual clips in DaVinci Resolve 19. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So first of all, go to the Deliver tab, and from here we need to select our export type, and then we need to select our location as well. So I am going with this location. I want to create a new folder here. Then select your folder from the bottom, and once you select your location, make sure to select individual clips from here. Now go to the file, and here you can choose our custom name, and you can type your name here. So I will just type here project, and once we type our name, we need to select this option as well, which is use unique file names, so that our file names will be unique. And after that we need to tap on add to render queue, and then from here we need to tap on render all. And once the render is complete, you can see both the clips are rendered individually. So this was the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.